Hello, this is My Real Farm, and this is Pandora's Nursery. Now we have Carly's helper of this litter, and we have a cousin here, Carson. He's holding the only boy in the nursery. Okay, you can put him down, Carson. They're all doing good. They're baby acting yet. They're only 3 weeks old. This is the first time they've been outside, and they're starting to walk a little bit. They're a little whiny because they're missing mommy. But see how we try to integrate a little toy. They don't know what to think about it yet. Here's these two ones. And then these two. They're doing good. As you can see, they're healthy. They have nice ridges. And they're just a little whiny because they're missing mommy. But they're doing great. If you want individual pictures, just contact My Real Farm and I'll send you an individual picture of whichever puppy you would like. The boy is already adopted, but the girls are there, still here. Thank you.